Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get sturdy. First, find a clear, open area where you can move without bumping into anything. Stand with your feet about shoulder-width apart, keeping your knees slightly bent. This athletic stance provides a stable base for your movements. Engage your core gently and keep your upper body relaxed, ready to flow into the rhythm. This foundational position is crucial for executing the dance with precision and power. Now, let's focus on the footwork, which is the heart of the sturdy. Begin by shifting your weight from side to side, feeling the rhythm. Lift one heel, then tap the opposite toe, creating a smooth, alternating motion. Try a quick shuffle, taking 2 small steps to the left, then 2 to the right. Aim for a consistent tempo, perhaps around 120 beats per minute, to build muscle memory and coordination. Next, we'll add arm movements to enhance your sturdy. Keep your arms loose and relaxed, allowing them to swing naturally with your body. You can use them to emphasize the beat, perhaps moving them up and down or in a circular motion. The key is to synchronize your upper body with your footwork, creating a fluid and powerful overall impression. Aim for a natural, unforced flow, making each movement feel connected and intentional. To truly master the sturdy, consistent practice is essential. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to rehearsing the steps and movements. Don't be afraid to watch others dance for inspiration, but always strive to develop your unique style. Focus on feeling the music and letting your body move naturally. Remember, the goal is not just to perform steps, but to express yourself with confidence and rhythm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.